Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak with chicken. First, choose a lean steak cut like sirloin, approximately 1 inch thick. Next, prepare your chicken breasts by pounding them to a consistent 1/2 inch thickness. This ensures both meats cook evenly. Finally, season both the steak and chicken generously with your favorite blend of salt, fresh black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder for maximum flavor. Now let's assemble our unique dish. Lay the pounded chicken breast flat, then place the seasoned steak directly on top. Carefully roll the chicken around the steak, creating a tight bundle. Secure this roll firmly with kitchen twine or small metal skewers, spacing them about 1.5 inches apart. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat and sear the roll for 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. After searing, transfer your chicken-wrapped steak to a baking dish. Place it into a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's fully cooked and safe to eat. Once done, remove it from the oven and let it rest for at least 5 minutes before slicing. This crucial step helps the juices redistribute, keeping your dish tender and flavorful. To serve, carefully remove all kitchen twine or skewers from your cooked roll. Then, slice the chicken-wrapped steak into 1-inch medallions, revealing the beautiful layers of both meats. This dish pairs wonderfully with roasted seasonal vegetables or a fresh, crisp salad for a balanced and satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy this unique and delicious way to combine steak and chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.